Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ND Study Point. Today we discuss some MCQ on MS Excel. I hope this video is very helpful for your upcoming exam. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Which command is used to calculate total characters in a cell? Option 1 length, 2 length, 3 mid and option 4 seed. And the correct answer is option 1 length. Next question. Which area in an Excel window allows entering values and formulas? Option 1 standard toolbar, 2 menu bar, 3 title bar and 4 formula bar. The correct answer is option 4 formula bar. Next question. Equal to sum bracket start b1 is to b10 is an example of a option 1 function, 2 formula, 3 cell address and 4 value. And the correct answer is option 2 formula. Next question. In Excel, an active cell can be represented by option 1 4A, 2 A4, option 3 $4 and option 4 $A4. The correct answer is option 2 A4. Next, cell address $A4 in a formula means it is a option 1 mixed cell reference, 2 absolute cell reference, 3 relative cell reference and 4 all of the above. The correct answer is option 1 mixed cell reference. Next question. In this chart only one data series can be plotted. Option 1 pie, option 2 line chart, option 3 bar chart and option 4 column chart. The correct answer is option 1 pie chart. Next question. The physical arrangement of elements on a page is referred to as documents. Option 1 features, 2 format, 3 pagination and 4 grid. The correct answer is option 2 format. Next question. To select entire row, which shortcut key is used? Shift plus space, option 2 Ctrl plus space, 3 Alt plus space and 4 none of these. The correct answer is option 1 Shift plus space. Next question. In a worksheet in MS Excel, what is shortcut key to hide entire row? Option 1 Ctrl plus 2, option 2 Ctrl plus 9, option 3 Ctrl plus N and option 4 Ctrl plus minus. Next, the correct answer is option 2 Ctrl plus 9. Which key is used in combination with another key to perform a specific task? Option 1 function, 2 space bar, 3 arrow and 4 control. The correct answer is option 4 control. Next question. The cell accepts your typing as its contents if you press option 1 enter, option 2 Ctrl plus enter, 3 tab and 4 insert. The correct answer is option 1, enter. Next question. To select the current column, press option 1 Ctrl plus space bar, option 2 Ctrl plus B, option 3 Shift plus enter, and option 4 Ctrl plus enter. The correct answer is option 1 Ctrl plus space bar. Next question. In Excel, charts are created using which option? Option 1 chart wizard, 2 pivot table, 3 pie chart, and 4 bar chart. The correct answer is option 1 chart wizard. Next question. Scatter chart is also known as option 1 XX chart, 2 YX chart, 3 XY chart, and 4 YY chart. The correct answer is option 3 XY chart. Which of the following commands in Office 2007 can be used to go to the first cell in the current row? Option 1 tab, option 2 shift plus tab, option 3 escape plus home, and option 4 shift plus home. The correct answer is option 4 shift plus home. Next question. What kind of software would you most likely use to keep track of a billing account? Option 1 web authoring, 2 electronic publishing, 3 spreadsheet, and 4 word processing. The correct answer is option 3 spreadsheet. Next question. The file responsible for starting MS Excel is option 1 ms.excel, option 2 ms.exe, option 3 excel.exe, and option 4 excel.com. The correct answer is option 3 excel.exe. Anything that is typed in a worksheet appears option 1 in the formula bar, 2 in the active cell only, 3 in both active cell and formula bar, and 4 all of the above. The correct answer is option 3 in both active cell and formula bar. Which one is the example of spreadsheet package? Option 1 VC Calc, 2 Unity, 3 Ada, and 4 Snowball. The correct answer is option 1 VC Calc. The extension of saved file in MS Excel is option 1 .xis, 2 .xas, 3 .xlx, and 4 .xll. The correct answer is option 3 .xlsx. Next question. Alignment buttons are available on which toolbar? Option 1 status, 2 standard, 3 formatting, and 4 all of these. The correct answer is option 3 formatting. In Excel, the intersection of a column and a row is called option 1 cell, 2 grid, 3 table, and 4 box. The correct answer is option 1 cell. What does an electronic spreadsheet consist of? Option 1 rows, option 2 columns, option 3 cells, and option 4 all of these. The correct answer is option 4 all of these. A collection of worksheets is called option A Excel book, option 2 worksheets, option 3 Excel sheets, and option 4 workbook. The correct answer is option 4 workbook. All of the following terms are related to spreadsheet software except option 1 worksheet, 2 cell, 3 formula and 4 virus detection. The correct answer is option 4 virus detection. Next question, which of the following is an active cell in Excel? Option 1 current cell, 2 formula, 3 range and 4 cell address. The correct answer is option 1 current cell. Next question, how are the data organized in a spreadsheet? Option 1 line and space, 2 layers and planes, 3 height and width and 4 rows and columns. The correct answer is option 4 rows and columns. Next question, the basic unit of a worksheet into which you enter data in Excel is called option A tab, 2 cell, 3 box and 4 range. The correct answer is option 2 cell. The default view in Excel is option 1 work view, 2 auto view, 3 normal view and 4 Roman view. The correct answer is option 3 normal view. Next question, it is a software tool that lets one enter, calculate, manipulate set of numbers. Option 1 spreadsheet, option 1 spreadsheet, 2 spreadsheet, 3 slide sheet and 4 all of these. The correct answer is option 2 spreadsheet. Next question, borders can be applied to option 1 cells, 2 paragraph, 3 text and 4 all of these. And your correct answer is option 4 all of these. Next, the cell having bold boundary is called option 1 relative, 2 active, 3 absolute and 4 mixed. The correct answer is option 2 active. Next question, what function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? Option 1 hyperlink, 2 index, 3 transpose and 4 rows. The correct answer is option 3 transpose. The letter and number of the intersecting column and row is the option 1 cell location, 2 cell position, 3 cell address and 4 cell coordinates. The correct answer is option 3 cell address. Thank you.